Hi everyone, the dispute between Donald Trump and Lisa Cook is a significant and unprecedented conflict that revolves around the independence of the Federal Reserve and the President's authority to remove a sitting Federal Reserve governor. Trump's actions are rooted in his long-standing criticism of the Federal Reserve interest rate policies, which he has consistently pressured the central bank to lower. The immediate trigger for the dispute was an allegation of mortgage fraud against Lisa Cook raised by Bill Blute, a Trump appointee. Blute claimed that Cook improperly listed two different properties as her primary residence to secure more favorable loan terms. No charges have been filed against Cook. Citing these allegations, Trump announced on social media that he was immediately firing Lisa Cook. Citing these allegations, Trump announced on social media that he was immediately firing Lisa Cook, stating that she was not above board and that he had sufficient case to remove her. Lisa Cook has probably stated that Trump has no legal authority to fire her and that she will not resign. Her lawyer, Above Lowell, has announced that they will file a lawsuit to challenge Trump actions, calling it illegal and without any factual or legal basis. The legal and political context. Fed independence. The central issue is the independence of the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve Act of 1913 was designed to protect the central bank from political pressure by giving its governors long, staggered terms 14 years and stating that they can only be removed by the president for cause. This term is widely interpreted to mean proven misconduct, not a policy disagreement. Unprecedented move. A US president has never before attempted to fire sitting Federal Reserve governor. This makes the situation a major legal test that could redefine the limits of a president's power over the central bank. Legal experts suggest the case could ultimately be decided by the Supreme Court. If Trump were to succeed, it would allow him to appoint a new governor who might be more aligned with his desire for lower interest rates, thereby altering the balance of power on the federal board and potentially undermining its ability to make independent monetary policy decisions. Thanks for watching. Follow me the more videos.